Hello friends, welcome to this very powerful space of learning. Today I'll be showing you how to remove any background of any image using an AI tool with our browser. So this very particular tool I'm about to introduce you to is a very powerful tool. I've been using it for quite numbers of time, and then I find out that it's the best actually to use because they retained the image quality uploaded on their site. So if today is also your first time visiting our channel, please do well and then hit on the subscribe button to help us grow. So first thing first, I'd like us to head over to a new tab here. Let's click on a new tab, and then just as I said, you can navigate through the site. The name of this site is called Pixel Code. Yes, like that. So you can type in your browser search bar and then hit on enter, or you can just type directly pixelcode.ai. Here is this very particular site. This is their domain link, and you can just head over and then click on it. Yeah, so this is the site, guys. So before anything, I'd like us to log into the website. Actually, we can. So you can log into the website and then or sign up if you can log in if you have account, and then you can also sign up if you don't have any account. The sign up process is simple. You can also sign up using your Google account as well. So let me quickly log in and let's proceed. So after a successful login, here is the interface of the site. So the next thing to do is you can either hit on this very particular thing over here to upload your image, or go to the removed background page. So let me quickly click on this very particular one and then select an image. My image is here. Let me click on this very particular one and then select. So depending on the network strength, actually it will not take a long time, but if your image is heavy as well, like it will also like take time. So let's give it a little time to work on this very particular image. I download it from pixels.com. So guys, this is the final output. Yes, as you can see, right before us, it has successfully removed the background. So you can easily head over to download and then click on this very particular thing. Now here's the beauty of this very particular site, and then I'll explain this whole thing like details by details. This is the name. You can also rename it right from here, and then just as you see, the format is PNG here, and then this very particular thing like is not optimizing your image quality, is maintaining just as the way we have uploaded it. So that is why I said this is my best and best ever background removing site or website. And you can check on transparency to download it as like without background, right? And I'll just head over and then download it. Let me just click on this very particular thing. So as you can see, guys, here's the image. You can open it directly from here. So you see, wow, this image is now clean. Just as I said, this is the best site ever. So okay, before I go, I would like you to know that for a new account, they only give you the maximum of 3 downloads per day, except if you subscribe to their other plans. So let's see in the coming video. Bye.